Hello, this is Sonic 17 and I'm going to show you the mechanism for this thing. I'm not going to show you how to build it, but it's a tutorial for the mech. I'm not going to show you how to build the mech. It's going to take forever. So, well, not forever, but still. So, okay, so what it is, twist this thing, right, lock. It's supposed to be like this thing right over here. So yeah, you can't wait, you can still move. So I'm just gonna put in a new random piece there so you can't move. Okay, as you can see, lock. This thing, wait, take off the part, is right there. Okay, so I'll show you this part later. So this is the hardest part to make. Okay, this is the mechanism, and this is how it rotates. Like this thing, you can see this thing is moving if you twist this way. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and I'm going to wash this off. So, yeah, I don't want to take, like, wait, I need to, like, have to make, sorry, just, like, hold on one moment. So, yeah, okay, now it has a standard. So, this thing is the base. As you can see, this thing has the white one, which has black on it, and it has this thing connected to it. And this, as you can see, there's only one hole in it. Yeah, it can't fit in there. Okay, so there's one base plate there, and as you can see, this one has more in it. This is where the slot goes, and this is where the white travels and rolls around. So, like, I have to use a plate. So, this thing is, if you see this thing is just like a protector, so it doesn't jam a lot. Before it jams way more than, like, you can see, like, every time you use it, jams. Shake it, jams. Okay, so this white goes into the big part, the 3 holes right here. So let me twist this and put it right there. You try to twist this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this thing now. There. Okay, so wait, let me fix the adjustment of camera. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So that, as you can see, once you do this, it's the lock. Since this thing's not going in, even if one of them is free, there's still 2 these. Still not gonna go in. You twist it. If you even keep twisting it, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of free holes right now, but this is not gonna go in. Since, see, even if you push in harder, even if you do this, it's still not. So you twist this, put it there. There's the combination. There. It's kind of weird. It's pretty cool. Well, it's not. So, okay, so I'm going to show you the code. Doesn't really matter because people can just, like, take it and twist it and then change it back in. This is where the thing is, and I'll show you it now. So, the first, I don't know. I'm just going to twist it, revolve it around, Okay, so first things first, you twist this way. Hold a couple times. Go to orange. Yeah, go to orange. See? Orange. And then just wait. Actually, go to red. Red, not orange. Red. As you can see, one open this hole. And then top right there is open. So once you got into the red, just turn it to orange.